What's up, guys? Should I go into the sunlight? Oh, that's bright. So today, as you can probably tell from the title, we're doing a organizing cleaning vlog. This is gonna be part one because we have a lot to do. You don't want to see this, but you know what? I'm gonna show you guys. Oy vey. Okay, so this is the living room. It's not looking great. Not looking great at all. And not only do we have these packages over here, we have this. And you guys, this is something I'm not proud of. This is basically boxes and boxes and boxes of makeup and PR that I haven't had time to go through. And it's just really built up. We got boom, this pile, that pile, and that pile to go through. Alyssa's coming over, which was nice of her because honestly, even just looking at all this is really overwhelming. And that's why I got to this point, is because I just get overwhelmed when I look at it. So Alyssa, being the true friend that she is gonna come over and she's gonna try to help me get her going, get her started. So that's what we're doing today. I'm literally so overwhelmed and embarrassed right now that I'm even showing this online. I was kind of like, honestly, okay, I'm gonna be really honest with you guys. I rarely have people over because I'm actually, honestly, I'm just kind of weird about like my personal space. But on top of that, with all of this going on, it's like, no, I'm just so embarrassed. So the only people that come over are really like, yes, Alyssa, and then Edson and Mike. Because it's just a lot. Yeah, it's a lot. So I'm gonna be really happy when all of this is cleaned up. My goal is by December 25th, by Christmas, that all of this is cleaned up and organized and put away so I can like finally have some peace of mind. If I don't make it by then January 1st can be a good backup. You know, I'll give myself till the 25th, but if I don't make it, January 1st is a great second choice. I think, wow, I'm getting out of breath just talking about this, but I think the part that's gonna take the most work is dun dun dun, the makeup room. This is the current state of the makeup room. Can you guys even see over there? Like just stuff all over the floor. This is from when I moved in last year, still not organized or put away. This, I mean, on top it's not terrible. It's mostly down here, you know? Up there, okay. Like, if you saw that, you wouldn't be that bothered. Down here, it's just like, what is happening? What is happening? So, first things first, I'm ready. You know that song. Anyways, so first things first, what we're gonna do is go to either Target or the Container Store or something and try to get some organizers because, you know, I obviously need them.
Oh my god.
You didn't recognize me?
No, the sun was.
What? Oh my god.
Are you gonna be in your vlog today?
Yes, we're
The
vlogging.
sun was in my eye. I just saw a hat and I thought it was a guy. I was like,
You guys, she didn't recognize me. Am I that ugly?
I never said that. I just said this.
You said it with your action. JK. And then me, JK smiley face. Are you ready to tackle this?
Yeah.
You look cute, stop. And then me. First thing we have to do is organize, but also us. First thing we're doing is talking about food that we're gonna get.
Snacks.
Snacks on snacks on snacks. Dun 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 dun. The happiest place on earth. Found a keeper already. So this isn't really for organizing, but this basket, it's a blanket organizer. Alyssa doesn't approve of this purchase, but you know what? It's cute, okay? And we need to organize.
It's not that I don't approve. I just think you gotta get organized.
How am I supposed to push this?
Start buying more stuff.
What if I did this for new incoming makeup that like I get in PR and take it out of the box and then I'll have it where I'm like, this is new stuff that I want to be using and trying. We'll think about it. We'll think on it.
Oh, my toes red.
Oh shit. Okay. We both stubbed our toes already. So let's try to think what we need. And then we come in the camera.
No. I just did your
And then me.
Okay.
Okay, so one for donation.
One for donation. One for what we're gonna keep to put in the makeup room.
So we're just gonna like transfer this and have it in the makeup room and then organize into shelves and drawers.
Right.
And then do we need one for trash? No, because we can just throw it in the trash. Me. Love that. Okay, so what size? This one might be nice because we can roll it instead of carrying it. But I just don't know if it's gonna be big enough, honestly.
Let's try it. Honestly, my toe is throbbing.
We can get ice when we get home.
Okay.
And then me. Da-na-na-na.
Wow, we're about to get kicked out of Target, to be honest.
No, we're not.
Yeah, we are.
I mean, they love me.
I feel like it's so hard to just find a matching gift.
Where did that come from? Those small ones. Where did those come from, Lisa? If you need to get something out of this side, but you don't want to get something out of this side, you can leave that side closed. I mean, nope, not that one.
They should literally have big lid. Big lid. Like, who organized this?
Oh wait, it's this one. Finish him. Oy, okay, that's not gonna fit.
Maybe put it without the lid.
So 2 bins to organize.
For donations.
Whoa.
But then where's the top for this one?
Look. Yep. Something to the order?
Yeah. What would you like to add?
The kelp salad.
Can I add the
Kelp noodle salad.
can I add the Asian kelp noodle salad?
Okay, what was your name? Roxy, right?
Yes, Roxy.
Okay, you want to add the Asian cup noodle salad to your order?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. I mean, 1 second, I have to find. Okay. Okay, anything else?
No, I think that's gonna be it. Yeah, just the mac and cheese, the Asian kelp noodle salad, and then the buffalo cauliflower.
Okay, no worries.
Thank you so much.
But make sure they give you 2 bags, because sometimes they'll do separate when it's like that.
Oh, yeah. If it could be all on one, that'd be great.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Alyssa?
What?
You were like, kelp noodle. I was trying to vlog. I was trying to get the camera out.
Oh!
That's why I was like stalling. And then you were like, kelp noodle, kelp noodle, kelp noodle.
Well, because she sounded like...
Kind of annoyed.
Spit it out, bitch.
Okay, guys, so we just spent 2 hours in Target. Love that. So we spent 2 hours in Target getting the organization stuff together. We're gonna pick up foods. We're gonna swoop by.
Because of the light.
No, you're fine. There, you look cute. We're gonna swoop by Sage real quick. Pick up some appies like salad, cauliflower, what's it called? Buffalo cauliflower, and vegan gluten-free mac and cheese. Healthy, yes, honey. And then we're gonna go home and make Daya pizza. If you haven't tried it, it's actually really good.
It is really good. I've had it.
And then we're gonna make cookies and cinnamon rolls while cleaning, while washing else. And we have chips and salsa. Wow. Love that.
What about this jelly and Tabasco? Do you want me? It's just a bunch of candles and then Tabasco and jelly. Like, is this decor? Is it decor?
It kind of was.
I feel like this is just trash.
Yes! Yes! Oh, I love that. Look at the progress we've made. So this is the kitchen now. Wow, wow, wow. We could see the counter space. Love that. I know, we forgot to show the before, but I'm showing the before of the rest of the place now so that when we continue.
The counter, you couldn't even see it.
Yeah, there was literally no white space. It was just makeup. I wish I had shown the before, but you know. So now we're tackling the floor area. So I'm working on this part right here. And then we're separating the bins, obviously, into donation and keep. And then we're gonna try to tackle this section. So it is, what time is it? 12:30? 12:30 in the morning. We've been working, we've been legit like on the go, on the job working from what time, like 7?
I mean, if you want to count when I got here and we shopped for your bins, like 4.
We've been working since 4, you guys. But look, I can actually see this space underneath my staircase. I can live under here if I wanted to. But also look at the kitchen. Wow, wow. There's counter space. There's a candle burning. There's salsa.
This is the first time I've seen your kitchen.
This is day 1 of the organization process. We still have a lot of work to go over here, over there, and then over here, and then over here. But you know what? We need to look at the positives and be grateful for this space now, because that kind of just made me feel like we didn't get that much done because we still have a lot to do. But super successful day. We can see the floor again. We can see the kitchen tables again. And I'm about to go to sleep now. So thank you guys so much for watching. Alyssa? And don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and am I in focus? Stay tuned for more cleaning vlogs because obviously we got a lot more coming. Organization. We're gonna okay, honey. But we are gonna be doing, like, when we get to the makeup room, like, we're gonna be going through like each individual, I can't even, like, what am I even trying to say, drawer, and like labeling it, doing like drugstore red lipsticks, high-end red lipsticks, drugstore nudes, high-end nudes, drugstore matte foundations, high-end matte foundations, you know what I mean? Like really, really going in and organizing, because that is my goal. Boom! Putting it out into the universe. Wow, I'm really tired. So I'm gonna go to bed. See you guys next time. Bye.